Saddle with. Let's learn phrasal verb.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, saddle with.
Sobrecarregar alguém com uma responsabilidade, impor um problema ou obrigação a alguém, deixar alguém encarregado de algo indesejado.
John was saddled with extra responsibilities after his manager unexpectedly resigned. She was saddled with enormous debt after the business completely failed. They saddled him with impossible deadlines before the important company presentation. Nobody wanted being saddled with difficult tasks during stressful holiday seasons. Our team was saddled with unexpected expenses after equipment suddenly broke. The committee saddled her with organizing every community event this year. His parents saddled him with caring for younger siblings every weekend. Management saddled employees with additional paperwork before approving every customer request. The landlord saddled tenants with unreasonable maintenance duties throughout every month. She felt saddled with endless obligations despite requesting additional professional assistance. The project saddled everyone with complicated procedures requiring constant careful attention. My brother was saddled with repairing everyone's bicycles every summer vacation. They saddled the new employee with outdated computer systems immediately afterward. The judge saddled the company with significant financial penalties after violations. She was saddled with cleaning responsibilities because others quietly disappeared early.
Let's learn idioms.
Lighten up and don't take everything so seriously. My nephew is like a kid in a candy store at the toy shop. He is drawn to her like a moth to a flame. My son's behavior is like father, like son, I admit. Managing this team is like herding cats every day. The two policies are like night and day in their approach. Those two friends are like two peas in a pod. The CEO gets the lion's share of the company profits. A little bird told me that you are getting a promotion. Our policy is to live and let live in this community. Let's learn slang. She felt buried under all those urgent emails. The store was jammed with customers during the sale. His schedule is jammed with appointments all morning. He is stuck in traffic and will be very late. She felt stuck and could not solve the problem. He is beat up after working a double shift today. She came back beat up from her long run. He feels burned out and needs a long vacation. She is burned out from studying every single night. He is wiped after the intense workout session. She felt completely wiped and went straight to bed. He felt drained after babysitting his young nephews.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.